Good morning, friends. My name is Sachin, and today I am here in front of you with the novel Vendor of Sweets. Right? Vendor of Sweets. This novel was being written by Dr. R.K. Narayan, and today we will be dealing with the brief summary of this novel. The protagonist of this story in the novel Vendors of Sweets is a vendor of sweets, that is a sweet seller by the name Jagan. So let's begin with the story. This novel, Vendor of Sweets, is a story of generational conflicts and struggles to bridge the gulf of time and age. The story revolves around a 60-year-old man, Jagan, a devout Hindu, and he is the owner of a small sweet shop. He still feels young at heart and he strictly follows the rules and regulations of Gandhiji. He believes in the natural system of medicine and healing, and he even refuses any medical help for his wife, Ambika. The story revolves around him, his ideologies, his son Mali, his cousin Narsimha, etc. Previously, Jagan was an active politician and indeed had been jailed during a demonstration of Indian resolution. So, this is how we will explain Jagan. Moving forward, Jagan eats only wheat, green vegetables, and honey. He even cuts sugar and salt from his diet. Instead of using the modern techniques and facilities, his son Mali has observed his father attempt to cure his ailing mother suffering from a brain tumor with natural remedies. Moreover, Mali blamed only his father, Jagan, for the death of his mother. He denies the beliefs and values of his father and favors only the liberal Western ideas. Right? He grows up and decides to leave the school and pursue a writing career. To attend a writing program in America, Mali drops out of his school steals the money of his father, and Jagan, his father, is hurt by his son's rejection of his ways of living. He begins to wane about him. So, this is exactly the relation of this father son, Mali and Jagan. Mali receives a letter from America in the next few years. He even surprises Jagan when he shows him his passport and ticket to USA. In America, Mali distances himself from his father and his culture. They both exchange letters and even wait for the reunion. Even in one of his letters, Mali confesses his act of eating beef without any guilt, thus rejecting his father's culture clearly. Moving forward, after 3 years, Mali returns home, but with a graceful, half Korean, half American lady, Grace, whom Jagan assumes as Mali's wife and his own daughter in law. Jagan is shocked, yet likes her as she is a wholehearted lady, kind to him in many ways that his son Mali is not. Grace also changes the house according to the Western cultures. Now, Mali desires to start his new factory producing publication and printing machines. The machines will automatically do the writing process, thus increasing the literary output of India so as to challenge the West. Moving forward, Mali wants his father, Jagan, to finance his ambition, but the idea shocked him as he himself believes in connection to God for great writing. So he refuses and considers his ambition a fantasy. Furthermore, he also suspects Grace's warmness, friendliness, and attention towards him are indeed the efforts to win his money. So Jagan, instead of giving him the money, offers him to take over his business and be a vendor of sweets, that Mali declines. So finally, this is the situation. Mali asks for some money for his new factory, for his new machines, rejected by his father Jagan. The offer given by Jagan to Mali is to take over his business, but Mali finally rejects it. Moving forward, a sculptor, Chinna Dorai, visits Jagan to seek his help to complete the sculpture of goddess Gayatri. Chinna brings Jagan to the isolated place where he isolated himself to work. Jagan feels that his own business money and his problems are blurred. Dorai asks him if he could help him buying the groove and support his work. Jagan agrees as he feels to depart himself from the world. He tells him that every person in this world at one stage of his life must depart himself from the others for the sake of others' peace. So now we get the philosophy of Jagan towards life. Moving forward, to his great shock, Jagan discovers that Mali and Grace are not married. He feels hurt for they have contaminated his ancestral home. He senses a disconnection with his home and resolves to give up work, to leave his home and trade and run away to the grove. By this, he will fulfill the Hindu tradition of Vanaprastha. Soon, Jagan prepares to leave. A cousin of his arrives to inform him that his son Mali has been arrested by the police for drunkenness and violating the state laws. Moving forward, Jagan still resolves to unchanged his decision for the departure and asks his cousin to ensure Mali's imprisonment for a long time. Moreover, he hands over the keys and the business to him while setting aside some money for Grace to buy a ticket for her to return. And finally, he departs for the grove. So, this is the story of this novel, Vendors of Sweets. I hope you understand the story. Just be clear with your knowledge about the story of this novel. Subscribe the channel for more. Like and share this video if you really like it. And mind it, thanks for watching the video. So this is Sachin, your friend, saying goodbye to you for the time being. We will meet soon. So it's goodbye from my side. Take care of yourself.